There was once a parrot who lived in a large cage. Every day he would look out of his cage and watch the children playing outside. The parrot wanted to join them, but he was too afraid. He had been bought from a pet store as a baby, and since then he'd never seen the outside world. But the parrot wasn't afraid of the outside world. He was afraid of the other birds. See, when he was just a baby, another bird had attacked him and he'd barely escaped with his life. Ever since that day, he'd hated all birds. One day, however, something amazing happened. A strong wind suddenly started to blow, and it lifted the parrot up. It blew him through the open window of his cage and out into the world. At first, the parrot was scared, but then he saw all the children playing, and he started to enjoy himself. The wind swirled around him and made him feel free. For the first time in his life, he wasn't afraid. And then suddenly, the wind stopped. The parrot looked around and realized that he was completely alone. He was so used to being with the wind that when it suddenly disappeared, he felt scared again. Just then, a little girl walked by. She had red hair and freckles. She looked at the parrot and asked, "What's your name?" "I don't have a name," the parrot replied. "No one has ever asked me." The girl thought for a moment. "Well, now you do. I'm going to call you the parrot who made friends with the wind." The parrot liked the sound of that. "It's a beautiful name," he said. "Thank you." And the girl continued on her way. And the parrot sat on a tree branch watching her go. He felt lonely, and he wished that the wind would come back. Just then, a boy walked by. He was the same age as the girl, and he had a big smile. "Hello," he said to the parrot. "Hi," replied the parrot. "Do you know where I can find some other birds?" The boy thought for a moment. "I think there's a flock of birds in the park across town. Would you like me to take you there?" "Yes, please," said the parrot. So the boy picked up the parrot and put him on his shoulder. As they walked, the boy told the parrot all about the birds in the park. "There are many different kinds," he said. "There are robins and blue jays and cardinals. There are even some parrots." The parrot couldn't believe it. He'd forgotten that other parrots existed. He was so excited to meet them. When they arrived at the park, the boy put the parrot down and said, "Here you go. I hope you have fun." Then he walked away. The parrot took a deep breath and walked towards the other birds. He was so happy to see them. They all gathered around and welcomed him. "It's so good to have you here," said a blue jay. "We've been expecting you." The parrot was confused. "Expecting me? What?" "Because the wind told us you were coming," said a cardinal. "The wind brings us messages from the future." The parrot couldn't believe it. He had so many questions, but before he could ask them, the other birds flew away. "Wait," called the parrot. "I don't know where you're going." "We're going to build a nest," said a robin. "Would you like to come with us?" The parrot hesitated. He'd never built a nest before, but he wanted to make friends. So he said okay. As they worked, the birds told the parrot all about their lives. They told him where to find food and how to stay safe from predators. The parrot listened carefully. He was so happy to finally be with birds who liked him. Finally, the nest was complete. The birds all huddled together inside it. "Thank you for letting me stay here with you," said the parrot. "It's so cozy." "You're welcome," said the robin. "We're glad you're here." And the parrot knew that he'd finally found a place where he belonged.